Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're on one of my favorite West Tennessee lakes, and as you can tell, the water's a little bit up. We have had torrential rainfalls the last week, and you know, we're dealing with some weird stuff here. We're in the middle of a cold front and we got falling water. Usually on a lake that makes it really tough, really bad conditions, but every time I fish this lake, when I think it's going to be really good, it's really bad, and every time it's really bad, I usually catch them. And there's mega bags out here worth of fish. Usually a Tuesday nighter is like 14, 15, 16 pounds for 3 fish. So yeah, there's bigs, really big ones. I don't know how we're gonna catch them today. I really don't care. All I know is we're about to go catch them. We're gonna go flip picnic tables before the day's over.
I gotta break out my weed eater and see if it still works. I've got no idea. I ain't used it so far.
I bought a brand new lawnmower and said it'll be all right in the elements.
Got that one. Ooh, that's a good one.
Chunky little 2-pounder. But nothing. Cool. It's the first light. I caught that off of a duck blind. That's neat. I'm gonna say 2.13.
I'm gonna go with 2.4.
It measures in 0.00 whatever. Oh wow.
A little heavier?
Oh. .80, so whatever 1.80 is. I just went to my calculator to take a picture. Thanks, buddy. Sorry, I'm kind of putting you in the spot. I'm trying to find a fish right for me.
Oh no, you good. I'm just enjoying the decent day.
I'm sure that, well, I'm sure you get kind of frustrated back there sometimes.
Yeah, time to time. Cause there is lakes like 1,000 Acre where it's like, I know I could go catch a thing of bluegill at any moment, and it's just sitting there putting around and everything. But this one, okay. Oh, raining. I'm gonna say
213. Same weight. 180 on the dot.
I don't think you caught the same fish, do you?
I might have tore it out again. 188. It's a female.
I'm gonna lose my fish today. Give it some tongue.
I'm back, baby. God, I bet the fishing god just absolutely missed that. They're up in the fescue now.
Fescue.
We're in that suburban grass fishing area now. hook in him. There you go. Go. There's a reel in it. There's a reel in it. Caught a few fish, nothing consistent. I'm actually out here fishing to find some fish for a tournament tomorrow night, and I haven't found anything. I don't know if there's going to be water in the bushes. It's already fallen like 8 inches today, and this lake isn't controlled by a dam or anything. It's just got a spillway, and this lake's dropping. It's dropping quick. So yeah, we need to find a backup plan. With this being a cold front and everything, I figured those fish would move off the first break anyway. It appears I haven't done that. So yeah, and it was like 32 degrees when we got here this morning, and now it's like 70. So really weird weather.
Want me involved?
Huh?
I'll eat your. Good. I have lost my food coloring.
Your food coloring?
Not my food coloring, but my fucking dye. Hell yeah.
Oh wait. I might have to beep out this video so hard. $192. She's getting ready to pop. Texas rig crawfish in the bushes. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Thank you.
Damn.
Oh no, he didn't. $184. Yeah. Cool. Tail's bloody a little bit. Thank you.